Today, I'm going to present the app which we run in Tirupati Urban Police District. This is called Trinetra, which is nothing but a third eye. That doesn't mean, which means this, it's a third eye. Sir, this the concept of this third eye started when a fire bishop took place.
The presentation is not visible, ma'am.
Is it not visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
So just a minute, sir. I'm going to share. Trinetra started, sir. A fire bishop took place at Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple in Antarvedi, sir, which is a world-renowned temple in Andhra Pradesh, which has created some havoc in the entire state and raised past religious issues by the media and political parties too. In order to suppress those all incidents, we thought of starting the technology-based one surveillance system, which is nothing but this Trinetra, sir. Why it was given so much importance in Tirupati means, as all of you know, Tirupati is a world-renowned pilgrim center. There are 700 temples in and around of Tirupati town, because of which people are very much sentimental. As a part of further visible policing and prevent untowards incidents and a solution for the prevention of these type of mishaps, we have started this Trinetra in the district, sir. Coming to the vision of this, the vision behind this creating this app is maintaining law and order in the district and building a sense of confidence among the people to stop further communal differences among the people, trust building mechanism, and keeping surveillance at specified places. So Trinetra app implementation was started on 2nd October of 2020, sir. Because I have already explained you, this is a world-renowned pilgrim center, and in order to control more offences at religious places, even there are thousands of these statues, God statues are erected in around Tirupati town. In order to develop the police image among the public, to perform regular beat, also update information in the app, we developed third eye in the crimes on the crimes at stipulated religious places, effective mobile patrolling in areas of crisis, and reduce hatred in public at religious places. So the process we have followed is we have created this app in the Play Store, in the Google Play Store. Through Google Play Store, it can be downloaded, and the process we followed is we have installed Trinetra app through Google Play Store, training given for the login process, capture the photos at religious places. The police personnel, every police person is using a smartphone. So because of which he will download the app and he visits the religious place and capture the photo there and then post in the app, so that we will see the entire shape of the religious place, and also surveillance can be done. Pop-up notification will be received at the command control center. Complete details of the visit made by the police person can be known. Reports in respect of the visit of the police personnel contains the captured image of the visited religious place, visited date and time, visit police person details, and number of visits of particular religious place can be also be monitored by the supervising officer. So this is an innovative aspect in the sense it is based on the technology, use of technology. Effective surveillance at religious places can be done very easily, sitting at the command control center itself. Simple and easy security arrangement made at religious places. Drastic reduce was seen in crimes at religious places. Physical appearance of the police at exact stipulated religious places also is also monitored. Day-to-day monitoring by getting updated reports. Performance of movement can be monitored religious places even. Solutions implemented in this app is security of religious places. We could stop such incidents in the entire district. Police person physically visit religious place, and the photo through Trinetra app from exact location can be taken, so that exact surveillance can be done. Receives alert messages at command control centers, and details of the visits made by each and every police person will be recorded, stored, and retrieved whenever required, so that whether the person visited or not can be monitored very easily. Prevention of crimes at the religious places, effective surveillance at security religious places. So coverage, sir, implemented over 700 temples, as I already mentioned, in the limits of Tirupati urban district. Installed the app to all police personnel, achieved the tremendous results, because we have not registered, not even we have not come through single report, sir. So not even given scope to defile any religious place. No untoward incident till now since the start of this app. Controlled offenses at religious places, successfully updated information of religious place of visit is day-to-day monitored. Public watching visible movement of police in day and night is also monitored. So effective surveillance and security has been arranged at religious places because of this. Scope for reduced and complete control of crimes can be is observed. Simple and easy to provide effective surveillance. No chance to subordinate staff to skip from the visits of religious place. Monitored by the superior officer to get the details of the visits made by the police personnel. Achieved good results for prevention of the offense. So no incident took place in Tirupati, sir, fortunately. So this is the pictures taken by the police personnel when they visit the temple or the religious place, sir. That's it, sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaskar. Madam, now they take a picture at a particular point of time when they are there and then send it to you.
Sir.
So what is
Yes,
the use of that? I mean, if any incident happens at some place, how do they report it on a real-time basis?
So actually, sir, the temple data was already installed in the app, and all geotags were also there. So when any incident happens at any place, if the person visits there and identifies any of the mishap or any mischief has done, then and there he will inform the command control so that officers can come and take action.
Yeah, but I mean, how effective it is, I don't know, because you said it has helped in reduction of crime and all that. So can you share some numbers? You have done it since October 20, no?
Yes, sir. We have other presentation is also there regarding this.
If it is there, we can wait.
Yes, sir. Yes. Is it shared, sir? Is it
Okay.
shared? Sir, there were. Oh, sir, there were incidents in 2017 regarding this idol thefts and ornament thefts, hundi thefts, but the number has decreased this time. If you observe from 2020 to 21, the number decreased to 3 plus 6. That almost 9 temples, 9 offenses were registered in the entire district, sir.
Mhm. Okay, thank you. Bhushanji?
But I'm not very clear about the outcome of this particular thing as to how you have achieved or how you are measuring. See, what are your metrics? There has to be some metrics to measure the benefit of this particular thing.
So measure means, sir, every day the person visits the religious place and it will be recorded. If anything goes wrong, he is the responsible person, so that we can monitor the beat system of the entire police station, sir.
So it gives a higher level of accountability to the concerned person, or what it is.
Yes, accountability to the police person whoever is visiting the place, and supervising accountability to the supervisor to supervise it.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let us take next.